kind of see what I'm dealing with. This part back here is still part of the kick panel that needs to come out. Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna mess with the pedals a little bit, see if we can't get them taken out and some other stuff around here. Then I'm gonna clean up around where we cut last time. And I got a couple things in the mill. I got more of these. These are the kind I would prefer than the ones that attach with Velcro. Might use these to clean up the little piece of interlocker we left. Might weld a little bit more through here, weld up some of them holes. And we might take this on into the pan back here. But yeah, mainly try to take stuff off underneath here, pedals and such. Clean up around here, maybe a little bit of welding, and then look at this area to see if we can't clean up that a little bit better too. And also, don't forget Friday, I'll be telling about the Super Clean giveaway. I should have everything finalized by then. Bought the hat today, so that'll be ready. Anyways, I'm gonna probably open the giveaway up Friday, on Friday's video, and just go from there. Anyways, let's hop over there and get to work. Well, we got this cleaned up, looking pretty nice. Had to get in here with the Dremel and get all the rest of this out. I don't know what that stuff is, but it's like, I guess it's glue for the badge that goes there. But it looks pretty good. Need to grind down these spot weld holes and then grind this down a little bit more. But overall, it's not too bad shape. This, on the other hand, I'm debating on just cutting it and putting another piece there. So you can see back there, it is not wanting to come apart. Kind of see what I'm dealing with. This part back here is still part of the kick panel that needs to come out. And I just can't get it free from that little spot right in there. I went as deep as I could go with my drill and it's still just hanging on. But we got this cleaned off pretty good. It looks really nice. Need to do a little bit clean down here and clean this underside. It's pretty rusty. We got that done, somewhat done. It's a pain. I don't know if you noticed, but when I try to take the emergency brake off, so it's right here. The bolts started to come, and they just broke off. So, I mean, PB blasters, they work a little bit, but if we use this same piece again, I have to drill these out and put some bolts in there, or at least tack a stud in there or something. But I think it could be salvaged. I mean, it worked. It releases and pulls everything down. So we'll probably just refurbish it. Didn't get too much done on these bolts here. I'm gonna spray them down PB blaster again and see if that will help. I don't want that to happen where it just twists the nut off. And I think I'm gonna leave this where it is at the moment until we get the new kick panel placed here. That way we know exactly how far it comes out. All in all, it seemed very productive, but we got a little bit accomplished. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. I'm gonna think on that a little bit. I don't want to mess anything up too bad. I think next time we'll get the lower piece of that inner rocker off, try to look at that brace and try to take more of these pedals out. I'd like to get them all out, and then we can actually start cutting the pan out. It did drop 1/2 inch from the bottom dash to the floor, so we're gonna have to probably put the loop back on it and do like we did before. But it should go a lot smoother since we kind of know what we're doing now. We'll do that, and hopefully next week we'll be cutting the pan out, getting all the rust and everything out, and fitting the new one, and getting the braces cleaned and painted, and looking at the strap holder, see if we can still use it or not. Like I said, we may put it in the blast cabinet. We're getting closer. Took way too long to try to clean up that area there, but I think we got it pretty good on the outside. Just need to get the parts on the inside. Anyways, I think I'm gonna clean up, but next video be a giveaway. I'll tell you how to enter for that. Thank you for watching me this far. It does help the channel out, and just thank you again for 300 subscribers. It does mean a lot to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, just kind of doing this, just going through the motions, getting this fixed and back on the road. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Thank you again. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.